Flexiglass is the market-leading brand for canopies, trays and automotive accessories in Australia. Flexiglass commenced operation in Western Australia in 1949, when Harry Robbins saw the first Holden ute and identified the need for a station wagon. Today, Flexiglass is part of the Aeroclass Australia group. With dedicated branches nationwide, Flexiglass is able to provide support for a large number of dealers, resellers and end users across the country. With the network of resellers nationwide, spare parts and product support is never far away. All Flexiglass branches offer in-store fitting and colour coding, meaning fast turnaround time on all stocked items. Please visit the flexiglass.com.au website to view our product range.